Hey guys, this is a money saving tip that I wanted to kind of pass along to you guys. Not a lot of you guys are going to use it, but it's for cutting sheet metal. So we'll go into that here in just a second.
What is your favorite tool to cut sheet metal with?
So guys, I've actually been a part-time and a professional fabricator for a while, back when I was younger. And I would say personally, if you can get away from using an abrasive on sheet metal, it's best. An abrasive on any sort of metal is pretty bad. I mean, that's, I think, what kills a lot of people off in the trade. The dust gets all over you, your skin, it agitates you. One thing that the girls don't like is
The smell.
yeah, you know, your girlfriend, your wife, really complain about the smell. So the tool I like to use when I cut sheet metal, if I can, is this body saw, which is just basically a mini sawzall. The only bad thing about these are the blades for them are terribly expensive, and you know, like my Ace Hardware doesn't have them. The good thing about these, I would say, are that you can buy the blades offline, so it's not like they're uncommon, but they are expensive. They're about $1.50 to $2 a blade. So the trick I have for you guys that an old person or an older mechanic taught me is you take a bandsaw blade, or sorry, a hacksaw blade that you can buy at any hardware for fairly cheap. Usually I buy these in 10 packs and they're usually less than 20 bucks. And if you look at them, you can get about 3 blades out of one hacksaw blade. I don't usually run mine this long, they just get folded over if you do. And the good thing about hacksaw blades is they are in pretty much every hardware that you can go to. Even a very small hardware will have hacksaw blades. If you buy these in a bulk, then you can get them for cheap. Usually they're about $1 for one of these. You can get 3 blades out of them. You can see where you can save a lot of money. I usually buy a bundle of these and just do a bunch of them and then throw them in the drawer for when I need them. As you can see, I haven't done it in a while, but this is my last one that I had cut and it broke the tip off of it. So we are doing a lot of work on the 55 lately, so I've been trying to use this. Another really bad thing about using an abrasive on sheet metal is that you will get a lot of burrs on it. They're right here. And those burrs can really cut you up pretty bad. You can see the feathering on the edge here. And if you get your hand across that, that'll cut you open in no time. So that's the bad thing about using an abrasive. You can run into heat warpage. You can run into that feathering that'll cut you. You can ingest that abrasive dust, and you know, the smell, the burns, the agitation from your skin when it gets in your eyes, it's all pretty bad. So what I'd recommend is use a blade whenever you can. And if you go ahead and get you a body saw, get a quality one, pick up a bunch of these bandsaw blade or these hacksaw blades, and just, you know, go through and make a bunch of them. They'll probably last you for a year. Thank you guys for watching.